Oh, it's Neon Lights Friday. Oh, I remember now. I forgot about that. Whoa. This is gonna be the first Neon Lights Friday that we're gonna attend it. Glow bracelets. That's the reason why it's dark in here, because they're gonna need that for the neon. How much are these?
I think they're like, I'm not sure yet. Like,
I'm gonna ask. How much is this? I'm asking how much this thing is. Excuse me, how much is this?
how much? $2.99. Yeah.
$2.99. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna get one.
Yeah, Chucky comes at 6:30. We have a person that's doing Chucky, and he comes at 6:30.
I finally got Eli the glow headband, so we got a glow in the dark, and it's good for this. They're doing a Neon Friday. I've never been here on a Neon Friday. It actually looks pretty cool here, like it's dark. Eli, look, it's dark. Look. Whoa. Open. Open. Here, right here. Here, I'll tear it right here. Right here. Open. Good job, like that. Yay! You need help? Alright, there you go. Whoa! Oh. It goes right here. It goes right here. It's a headband. It should be like that, like a Mickey Mouse headband.
No.
Here, let me help you.
Me, Mama.
Eli's obsession with PJ Masks. He's watching PJ Masks right now. What do you have, Eli? Whoa! The pumpkin. Oh, alright. Can you take it all out? You need help? Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It won't get out. Can you take it out? Here, let me help you out. Let me help. Help. There's too many eggs in there. Alright. Hold on to it. Thank you. Ah! We're operating this pumpkin. There you go. Finally, one came out. Oh my gosh. The struggle is real. Oh, there's another egg that came out. Egg. Yeah, there you go. So we got 2 eggs. And then we even have Like a skull. We got a skull. And what else do we have, Eli? Can you take it out?
Nummies.
It's not Nami's. Let me see. It's solar skull heads. That's actually pretty cute.
It's egg.
Oh, you got a hand. Oh. And what else do you have? Whoa, what is that? It's a sketch. Look at that. Classic.
Open.
Oh, you want to open it? Alright, let's open that one up first. You're going to like that. Since you like to doodle around. You want me to open it?
Open.
Yes, I can open it for you.
Open.
Alright.
Open.
Wow, this is actually
Oh,
well
no,
packaged.
Open.
Yeah, this is actually well packaged for toys. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Alright, let's clear it up. And then see this, Eli?
Wow.
See this? You can draw on it. You can draw. Like, who loves to draw? Good job, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Good job. What is that, Mr. Potato Head? Good job. I knew he's gonna like it. Alright. Let's move on to other things. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Are you mad? I think he's trying to take everything all out at once. Alright, I think it fell out. Well, the hands fell out. Whoa. Can you take it out? Wow. I guess that's about it. And I think we got last one. I got this bone. Alright, guys. So, we got a bone hand. Look at that. Arm. That is actually pretty cool. I like this. You can scratch your back with this. That's gonna be useful. Oh, look at that. Mickey. Yeah, Kingdom Hearts Mickey. Oh. Look at that. This is so random. We get like a piece in a pod. This is like my most favorite things in the world. Oh, look at that. Oogly eyes. Oogly eyes. I mean, googly eyes. So we got those. And we got this. I like these. I can put it on like on something. Or maybe I could put it on the window. That would be fun. Open. Whoa, whoa, oh, it's alive. Whoa, it's moving.
That's happened.
Oh, you're opening that one.
Happened.
Yeah, can I see?
Happened.
You want it out so bad, alright. That is actually fun. I might put that somewhere. Eli, do this. You can't see me. Do that like, you can't see me. John Cena.
Open. No, open.
You want to open that one? Here, let me open that for you. Alright. Let's open this up. There you go. You got extending limbs in there. Oh. Whoa, you can put marshmallow on. No, actually, no. You can put marshmallow on it, but you cannot burn it because it's made out of plastic. Can you, can I see that? Oh! Whoa!
What? That.
Good job. Let me see. That's actually pretty cool, huh?
Apple.
Mm-hmm.
And no more.
Whoa. Alright, let me open it up. 1, 2, 3! Yeah. Whoa, we have Deadpool. Deadpool and Harley Quinn. Oh, my two most favorite characters. Look at that, they're so cute. We got more plushies. This is gonna be a flushy month. We got lots of plushies. Alright. We got one last egg. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, ouch. Oh, there you go. Whoa, we got Attack on Titan. We got a Titan in the house. Rah, rah. You know, they run really fast. I got a Titan here. Oh, gosh. Alright, calm down. It's alright. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, we got Freddy Krueger. Whoa, look at that. Freddy Krueger. Wow, this is so cute. It's like, this is like the horror plushies. Horror plushies. I like it. Hey. And this is, I think this is, what's the name of this dude? I literally forgot his name. Let me look.
Open.
Let me find out what his name is. This is the guy from Friday the 13th.
Open.
Oh, you want to open that? Later.
Open it,
Later, we're going to
open.
put the ugly eyes in the window. So this guy's from Friday the 13th. That is pretty cool. They came up with a horror series. Alright, so this is our horror plushies. They're so cute. They're so cute. I like the Titan. I like this guy too. They're pretty cute. I know they're supposed to be scary, but they're pretty cute. I like it. And it's actually well made too. This guy too, it's pretty good. I like it. The Titan is so funny. It's actually on sale. He's the only one left. I was actually trying to see if I can get the armored Titan, but I didn't find it. I might be able to find it online. But look at that. He's my most favorite characters right there. There's actually more coming up, more plushies. So we're gonna have to add to our collection back there. And we even have Chuck E. Cheese right here. As you can see, I need to actually like reorganize them because we're playing on it on a daily basis. Okay guys, so if you want me to make more plushy videos, please leave a comment at the comment section below. And also don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And if you have any comments or suggestions, leave that at the comment section below. Once again, thanks for watching. Peace!